Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing these Plasma series cases from UAG for the OnePlus 8. So guys, these are the boxes of the cases. This is the overall packaging. You can buy them online on Amazon, Flipkart or directly from the official seller. That's from GreedyTech website. On the boxes, they are priced at 2,200 rupees, but online right now they are priced at 1,700 rupees. If you buy these cases on GreedyTech's official website, you can use the GreedyTech coupon code to get 7% extra discount, which by the way is not available on sites like Amazon and Flipkart. So that's one great advantage of buying these cases directly from the official seller. About the giveaway, stay tuned till the end to know more details about that. Now without any further delays, let me just open it up. By the way, these are the Plasma series cases. This one is the ice color and this one over here is the ash color. So packaging is pretty simple and that's all it takes. So these are the Plasma series cases from UAG and they are pretty much identical except for the difference in color. This one is the ice, which is completely transparent, while this is the ash color, which has a black tint to it. Out of these two, personally, I prefer this one. Now let me just try out with the OnePlus 8. By the way, this is a free case that we got inside the box. It can last you for a few days, but it doesn't offer you any kind of protection. So if you're someone who's worried about dropping your phone and breaking it, then I would definitely recommend you to get a UAG case. These cases offer you drop protection and they're also military grade certified. And this is how the phone looks once we put on the case. One great thing about these UAG cases are they're pretty easy to put on and put off. They offer you drop protection. And even with the case on, buttons are still nice and clickable. This is something we rarely see with cases. Now let's have a quick look at the build of this case. This material on the back is made of plastic. It also has this honeycomb texture, which is supposed to give it some extra drop protection. And towards all the corners, it has soft rubberized raised lip, along with skid pads to provide it 360-degree protection. And once we put on the case, we can clearly see that it is a pretty big raised lip for the camera module. So whenever you place your phone directly on its back, camera module is 100% protected. Even on the front, when you observe closely, you can see that there is a raised lip at the top and bottom. So even when you place your phone directly on its face, display is not in contact with the surface. Because of that skid pad, it doesn't even slide off easily. So these are all the advantages of having a UAG case, and the main one is the drop protection. And because of that, you can literally do stuff like that and don't have to worry about damaging the phone. Well, I won't suggest you to drop it, but in case accidentally, even if you drop it, it's still in pretty safe hands. Now let's have a closer look at the case from all the sides. So this is the bottom. And there are clearly cutouts for all the ports, including the microphone. Now this is how the right side looks like. We have a big cutout for the alert slider, so it can be easily accessible with a finger. Next we have a button, and it's still pretty clickable. At the top we have a cutout for the microphone. On the left side we have just two buttons, that's for the volume rocker. Now this is how the phone looks on the back with the case on, and this is the camera module. As you can see, it has a pretty significant raised lip, so it can definitely give you a lot of protection. Now this is how the phone looks on the front with the case on. There is a slightly raised lip at the top and bottom. It's not huge, but it's definitely sufficient. And the sides are slightly trimmed down so that you can access the rounded corners of the display. Now this is how the corner of the case looks like. It is a raised lip and it is made of a soft material which can take a lot of impact when you drop your phone. And this is the honeycomb texture that I talked about earlier. Usually UAG cases are pretty bulky, but for some odd reason, even with the case on, phone still feels pretty sleek and it doesn't feel all that heavy. So overall, a great choice. So guys, that was the physical overview of the case. So guys, these are the UAG Plasma series cases for the OnePlus 8. If you want my suggestion, I'll recommend you the Monarch series case from UAG for the OnePlus 8. Out of these two cases, that's from the Plasma series, I prefer the ash color. So about the giveaway, I'll be giving away this particular case, and to participate all you need to do is just open the link in the description, subscribe to us on YouTube, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and Instagram, and do a couple more actions, and that's it. We'll pick a winner in a week and send you this case. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're planning to buy this phone or any of these cases, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.